Understanding Photo Booth, a fun and interactive guide. Hello, everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating and fun phrase in the English language, photo booth. Whether you're an English learner or just curious about this term, this video will help you understand what it means and how it's used. Let's dive in. A photo booth is a small, usually automated machine or space where you can take photos. They are often found at festivals, malls, or events. Traditionally, these booths are enclosed spaces with a camera inside. You enter, pose for a series of photos, and receive a printout of the pictures. Today, photo booths can be digital or even mobile apps. The concept of the photo booth dates back to the early 20th century. It became popular for its ability to provide instant photographs. Over the years, photo booths have evolved from simple machines in public places to sophisticated systems used at parties and events for entertainment and memories. In modern culture, photo booths have become a staple at events like weddings, birthdays, and corporate events. They are loved for their ability to capture fun, candid moments. With props and costumes often available, they encourage guests to let loose and have fun. In English, the phrase, photo booth, is straightforward, combining photo, short for photograph, and booth, a small temporary tent or structure. It's a great example of English's compound nouns, where two words are combined to create a new meaning. We hope you enjoyed learning about photo booths and how they play a part in both English language and culture. They're more than just a place to take pictures. They're a fun experience and a cultural icon. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more English language insights.